Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2008 Scion XD cabin air filter replacement is behind the glove box. We're going to come over here and pinch this so we can release this shock absorber. And then we can, we're going to squeeze the sides as well here. On each side we're going to pull these sides in to drop the glove box down. There's cabin air filter, says up, or the cover anyway, it says up. Squeeze these tanks together and releases it. And look at that, actually no cabin air filter right now, so I guess we're going to put one in. It does say up on the filter. Figure out how to put this in here, if it's the right one. There we go, sideways. And then we can stick that in there. Just like that. Almost installed itself. We can pull this back down and install it down there. Just like that. That is installing your cabin air filter on your 2008 and other model years Scion XD.